Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI P50 Pro, and let me share with you how to add a photo to a contact in this device. So first of all, let's open your contact list, for example using the dialer, and find the contact you would like to edit and tap on it. Now, as you can see right in the middle, we've got the edit option, so let's tap on this profile icon. And as you can see, we've got two different options from which we can choose. So we can either take a photo and then your device will open the camera app. So this is the best option to choose if you've got the person right in front of you and if you're able to catch a photo. Or we can choose it from the gallery, and I will stick with this option. And as you can see, we've been immediately transferred to the all photos. As you can see, we can touch here to select an album, so to have it categorized into particular albums. Up to you which option is more comfortable for you. If you found the photo you would like to use, simply tap on it. And as you can see, basically all we have to do here, because we cannot do anything, this is a preview, simply tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, from this step we can adjust the position of the photo, we can zoom it in or out using two fingers, and thanks to this we can decide what we will see after saving the whole contact, because this circle, this highlighted circle, is responsible for it. So if you're happy with the results, just tap on the stick icon in the right upper corner, and as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied. So again, remember about the stick icon to confirm everything, and as you can see, the photo has been immediately applied here, and you will be able to see it on the contact list, but also whilst all incoming calls from that number, for example. So actually this is it. This is how to add a photo to a contact in your HUAWEI P50 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.